Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to disable Facebook share button. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So it's pretty simple. What you have to do is, as you guys can see, this is my post. Click on the three button at the corner of the post and then click on edit post. And as you guys can see, below my name, which you given below it, there is public, right? So click on it and click on friends, your friends on Facebook. So basically what it does is only my friends on Facebook can see it. So if my friends try to share it, then they won't be able to, because their friends won't be able to see it. Only my friends will be able to see this post. So go back, click on save, and then boom, now you just disabled your share button. Now over here there's a share button because this is my post, but if my friends try to share this, they won't be able to see a share button over there. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.